Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts out there. We're going to take a closer look at the HiiPeak Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Mat, which claims to be the best tent sleeping pad on the market. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our expert reviews on top-notch products like this one. Let's kick things off with the key features of the HiiPeak Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Mat. This sleeping pad is designed for camping, backpacking, hiking, and tent travel, making it incredibly versatile for outdoor adventures. One of the standout features is its size. It measures 76.7 inches in length, 25.6 inches in width, and boasts a thickness of 3.5 to 4 inches, ensuring ample space for a comfortable night's sleep. Now, what sets this sleeping pad apart is its innovative hexagon-shaped air cells. These cells are ergonomically designed to support all your pressure points, and there's even a built-in pillow to relieve back and neck pressure, whether you sleep on your back or your side. But it's not just about comfort, it's about durability too. The back of the air mat is made of 50D nylon polyester with multi-layer TPU, making it tear-resistant even against thick branches. And the front is crafted from sturdy 20D nylon material with waterproof and durable TPU, ensuring it can withstand the elements. Now, let's talk about convenience. The HiiPeak Sleeping Pad features a foot-type air pump, so you can forget about carrying an external pump. It inflates in just 30 seconds with a few simple steps, making it super easy for anyone, even kids and the elderly. And if you're camping with friends or family, you'll love the connection buttons on both sides of the air cushion. These buttons allow you to connect multiple pads, creating a wider, more comfortable sleeping space. But here's the best part. When it's time to pack up, this sleeping pad is incredibly compact. It weighs just 28.6 pounds and folds down to approximately 11.0 by 3.9 inches, fitting neatly into the included storage bag. Now that we've covered the features, let's see what real users have to say about the HiiPeak Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Mat. With an impressive 4.3-star rating, this sleeping pad has earned its place as a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Customers have praised its lightweight design, ease of inflation, and overall comfort. So, there you have it, folks. The HiiPeak Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Mat might just be the best tent sleeping pad you've been looking for. It offers comfort, durability, and convenience all in one package. If you're ready to elevate your camping experience, make sure to check out the HiiPeak Sleeping Pad on Amazon. We've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy camping, everyone!